I don't know about you guys, but I've been looking for an AI to edit my videos for me. I looked into so many different options, but none that could actually take the footage, cut it, and place it in the sections that make sense. This video, I didn't edit it, I didn't write a script, and I didn't even give the AI a prompt. I literally uploaded some footage, picked the template, and that's it. What it made honestly blew me away. Not just because it looked good, but because it actually told a story, a real one, with a hook, a body, and even a call to action. I wanted to test something. Could AI understand structure? The kind of storytelling structure that we use in filmmaking and ads all the time? So I uploaded my raw footage into an app called Captions. No notes, no timeline tweaks, just picked a pre-built template. It's kind of like telling a robot, here's the footage, now you decide how to tell the story. Watch what it came up with.
Glimmer has changed the game.
That's where the hook hits.
It completely transformed it from dry split ends to soft, grown.
Now we're into the main message.
The texture is so satisfying. It also smells like coconuts, and all you do is just put it in for 10 minutes when you're in the shower, wash it out and dry your hair, and it comes out so soft, so beautiful, as you guys can see. Really shiny. It's just perfect. If you're looking,
and that right there, that's the call to action.
You should get Glimmer.
What impressed me wasn't just the visuals or text, it was the structure. The pacing felt intentional, it grabbed attention immediately, then delivered the core message, and somehow timed the call to action right where I would have placed it if I had edited this video myself. It's like the AI understood what the video was trying to do, not just like to make it look good. This changes things for creators. If you're not a professional editor, or even if you are but you're short on time, tools like Captions are giving you a serious shortcut. Instead of spending hours cutting, tweaking, pacing, building from scratch, you can just upload and choose a style, and AI handles the rest. And it's not just cutting clips, it's understanding the flow. That's what's so crazy. I'm not saying AI is going to replace editors, but it might replace the boring parts or give you a solid first draft you can build on. Either way, it's leaving the playing field in a way we've never seen before. If you're curious to try it out, just open Captions, pick a template, and see what it does for your footage. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Also, don't forget the bell button. If you haven't already clicked it, it will basically notify you every time that I post a new video, and that happens every single week. Thanks guys, and I'll see you guys next time.